Do you believe free money exists? What if you could receive free cryptocurrency tokens, sometimes worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, just for participating in a new project? This isn't a scam or a gimmick. It's one of the most powerful marketing and community building tools in the entire crypto space. It's called an airdrop, and it's how many of the biggest projects in crypto got their start. But with great opportunity comes great risk, and the world of airdrops is filled with traps for the uninformed. Welcome back to Clever Money Hacks, the place where you get the knowledge to navigate the world of crypto with confidence and power. In today's video, we are creating the ultimate beginner's guide to crypto airdrops. We will demystify what they are, why projects do them, how you can find potential upcoming airdrops, and most importantly, the critical steps you must take to participate safely and avoid the scams that trick so many people. Are you ready to learn how to potentially get in on the ground floor of the next big thing in crypto? Let's dive in. All right, before we explore this opportunity, our non-negotiable crypto reminder. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Airdrop hunting is speculative and carries significant technical and financial risks, including the risk of total loss and theft. There is no guarantee of receiving any tokens or that any received tokens will have value. Always conduct your own thorough research. So, what exactly is a crypto airdrop? In the simplest terms, an airdrop is a marketing strategy where a new crypto project gives away its own tokens for free to a large number of people. It's like a new software company giving away free t-shirts at a conference, but instead of a t-shirt, you're getting a digital asset with potential future value. The goal is to generate awareness, bootstrap a community of users, and decentralize the ownership of the project's tokens right from the very beginning. Why would multi-million-dollar projects give away their tokens for free? It's a brilliant strategy for a few reasons. First, marketing and awareness. An airdrop generates massive buzz and gets thousands of people talking about the new project on social media. It's one of the fastest ways to get on the crypto community's radar. Second, community building. By giving tokens to early users and supporters, the project creates a loyal, engaged community of people who have a vested interest in its success. They become the first users, testers, and evangelists. Third, decentralization. For a project to be truly decentralized, its tokens need to be held by many different people, not just the founders and early investors. An airdrop is the most effective way to achieve this widespread distribution, which is crucial for the long-term health and governance of a decentralized network. So, how do you find these potential airdrops? This is where the hunting part comes in. You're looking for new, promising projects that have not yet released a token, but are likely to do so in the future. There are several places to look. First, dedicated airdrop tracking websites like Airdrops. IO or DeFi Llama's airdrop section can be great resources. They list rumored and confirmed airdrops. Second, follow crypto researchers and airdrop hunters on Twitter. Many experts share alpha and guides on how to position yourself for potential airdrops. Third, and most importantly, identify major trends in ecosystems. For example, if a new Layer 2 blockchain launches, interacting with the top applications built on it is often a good way to qualify for future tokens from those projects. All right, you now know what airdrops are and how to find potential opportunities. This is powerful knowledge. If you're finding this guide valuable, take a moment and hit that like button right now. It helps spread this information to more people. And comment below. Have you ever participated in a crypto airdrop before? Let's hear about your experience. Now for the most important part, how do you participate and qualify for airdrops safely? Typically, projects reward users who interact with their platform before the token launch. This is called being an early user. The actions you might take depend on the type of project. For a new blockchain, it could involve using a testnet, which is like a practice version of the blockchain, to send transactions and test applications. For a decentralized finance (DeFi) protocol, it might involve actions like swapping tokens, providing liquidity, or borrowing and lending on their platform. For an NFT project, it could be as simple as joining their community on Discord or participating in an event. The key is to use the platform as it's intended to be used. The project wants to reward genuine users, not just bots. So you need to create a history of real, meaningful interaction. This often involves connecting your own crypto wallet, like MetaMask or Phantom, to the application and performing transactions. This is where the risks begin, which brings us to the most critical section of this entire video: how to avoid airdrop scams. The unfortunate truth is that for every legitimate airdrop, there are 100 scams trying to trick you and steal your funds. Your security mindset is everything. Here are the unbreakable rules you must follow. Rule number 1. Never share your private key or your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is the master password to your entire wallet. No legitimate project will ever ask you for it. Anyone who does is a scammer. Period. Rule number 2. Be extremely suspicious of random tokens that appear in your wallet. A common scam is to airdrop a worthless token to thousands of wallets. When you go to a website to try and sell or claim it, that website will ask you to sign a malicious transaction that drains all the other valuable assets from your wallet. If you don't recognize a token, ignore it. Do not interact with it. Rule number 3. Use a burner wallet. A burner wallet is a separate, new crypto wallet that you use specifically for airdrop hunting. You should only keep a small amount of funds in it, just enough to pay for transaction fees. This way, if you accidentally interact with a malicious site, the scammers can only drain your burner wallet, not your main wallet where you store your valuable long-term investments. This is arguably the most important safety tip. Rule number 4. Verify everything through official sources. Only follow links from the project's official Twitter account or their official Discord server. Never click on random links from strangers in DMs or unverified sources. Scammers are experts at creating fake websites that look identical to the real ones. Always triple-check the URL. Following these rules doesn't eliminate all risk, but it dramatically reduces your chances of becoming a victim. Your security is your responsibility. So, airdrop hunting. Is it a legitimate way to get involved in crypto? Absolutely. It can be a powerful way to discover new projects and acquire tokens with huge potential upside. But it is not easy, and it is not risk-free. It requires dedication, research, and a security-first mindset. It's an active strategy, not a passive one. It's a perfect example of how, in the new economy, new opportunities are constantly emerging for those willing to learn and adapt. This mindset of proactive learning and upskilling is something we talked about in our last video. Is AI a threat to your job? It's about seeing a new technology not as a threat, but as an opportunity to be explored. I'll link that video for you. If this guide has empowered you with a clear and safe action plan for exploring crypto airdrops, show your support for the channel and hit that like button. If you are committed to learning more about the cutting edge of crypto and finance, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And finally, let's make it real. Comment below and tell me, what is the #1 safety tip from this video that you will commit to memory? Thanks so much for joining us today on Clever Money Hacks. Our mission is to provide you with high-quality and valuable information to help you take control of your financial future, one smart decision at a time. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications on, because we're always working on new content to bring you more clever money hacks and actionable financial tips and tricks right here on Clever Money Hacks. Until then, stay safe and keep making those clever money moves. Bye for now.